Welcome to our channel, fellow travelers through the cosmos. You know, we humans have always looked up at the night sky, searching for answers, for meaning, for patterns. And while I'm the first to say we need rigorous scientific inquiry to truly understand the universe, there's a certain human element to astrology that I find rather charming. Today we're taking a playful yet insightful journey into the fascinating world of astrology. We're on a quest to uncover the top 3 zodiac signs most likely to untangle a knotty problem, to crack the code, to channel their inner cosmic Sherlock Holmes, if you will. So buckle up, stargazers, and get ready for liftoff as we explore the unique cosmic characteristics that make these signs the ultimate problem-solving champions of the zodiac. Stay tuned to find out if your sign made the list. First up, we're diving deep into the enigmatic realm of Scorpio, the scorpion of the zodiac. Now, Scorpios are often associated with intensity, passion, and a certain air of mystery. And let me tell you, my friends, these qualities are not just for show. They are the secret weapons in a Scorpio's problem-solving arsenal. Imagine, if you will, a cosmic detective, meticulously combing through clues, their mind a web of intricate connections. That's a Scorpio for you. They have this uncanny ability to cut through the noise, to see through facades, and to get to the heart of the matter. You know, like a detective carefully dusting for fingerprints, a Scorpio meticulously gathers information, analyzing every angle, every detail, until they reach the core of the issue. But their real strength lies in their relentless curiosity. Scorpios are driven by an insatiable desire to understand the why, the how, the hidden mechanisms behind the scenes. They're not satisfied with superficial answers. They want to unravel the mysteries, to expose the truth, no matter how deeply buried it may be. And this, my friends, is where their strategic mind comes into play. Scorpios are master strategists, planning their moves with the precision of a chess grandmaster. They anticipate obstacles, consider potential consequences, and formulate backup plans with an almost eerie foresight. But don't mistake their calculated approach for coldness. Scorpios are deeply emotional beings. They feel things intensely, and this emotional intelligence gives them a unique advantage in understanding the human element of any problem. They can read people like books, sensing their motivations, their vulnerabilities, their hidden agendas. This combination of analytical prowess and emotional intelligence makes Scorpios formidable negotiators and mediators. They can navigate complex situations with a deftness that would make even a seasoned diplomat envious. They know when to push, when to pull back, and when to strike a compromise that leaves everyone feeling like they've gained something. So if you're facing a problem that seems impossible to solve, my advice is to find yourself a Scorpio. They'll not only help you crack the code, but they'll also teach you a thing or two about resilience, determination, and the power of never giving up on a challenge. After all, Scorpios are known for their ability to rise from the ashes, stronger and wiser than before. They embrace transformation, understanding that sometimes the greatest solutions lie on the other side of a difficult metamorphosis. So, the next time you're feeling lost in a labyrinth of uncertainty, remember the Scorpio, the cosmic detective, with their piercing gaze and unwavering determination. They might just be the key to unlocking the answers you seek. Next, we turn our attention to Virgo, the meticulous and analytical mind of the zodiac. Now, Virgos are often stereotyped as perfectionists, and while there's some truth to that, it's their dedication to order and precision that truly makes them exceptional problem solvers. Imagine, if you will, a cosmic architect, meticulously drafting the blueprints for a complex structure, ensuring that every detail is perfectly aligned. That's a Virgo for you. They have this innate ability to dissect situations, to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable components. They're like master detectives of the practical world, meticulously gathering data, analyzing patterns, and identifying potential flaws or inconsistencies. But their real superpower lies in their attention to detail. Virgos don't let anything slip through the cracks. They're the ones who notice the missing comma in a contract, the slight discrepancy in the data, the loose thread that could unravel the entire tapestry. And this meticulousness is not about being nitpicky, my friends. It's about ensuring that the solution they devise is not just functional, but elegant, efficient, and built to last. They're like the engineers of the Zodiac, always striving for optimal performance. Virgos are also blessed with a healthy dose of practicality. They don't get bogged down by impractical theories or pie-in-the-sky ideas. They focus on what works, on solutions that are grounded in reality and can be implemented effectively. They're the ones who roll up their sleeves and get things done, often behind the scenes, without any need for fanfare or recognition. But don't mistake their humility for weakness. Virgos are fiercely independent and possess an inner strength that allows them to tackle challenges head-on. They're not afraid of hard work, and they have this remarkable ability to remain calm and focused even in the midst of chaos. And this, my friends, is where their analytical minds truly shine. Virgos have a knack for identifying patterns, for connecting the dots, for seeing the bigger picture that others often miss. They're like master strategists, planning their moves with the precision of a military general, always several steps ahead of the game. So if you're ever facing a problem that requires a meticulous eye, a logical mind, and a commitment to finding practical solutions, my advice is to seek out a Virgo. They'll help you create order from chaos, to bring structure to the unknown, and to build a solid foundation for success. Chapter 3. Finally, we arrive at Aquarius, the visionary innovator of the Zodiac. Aquarians are often described as eccentric, unconventional, and perhaps a little ahead of their time. And you know what? That's precisely what makes them such brilliant problem solvers. Imagine, if you will, a cosmic inventor, tinkering away in their workshop surrounded by gadgets and gizmos, their mind buzzing with unconventional ideas. That's an Aquarius for you. They have this remarkable ability to see the world differently, to challenge the status quo, and to come up with solutions that are not only effective, but often groundbreaking. They're not afraid to think outside the box, to color outside the lines, to break the mold and create something entirely new. But their true genius lies in their ability to connect seemingly disparate ideas, to see patterns where others see chaos, to find innovative solutions that others wouldn't even dream of. They're like the bridge builders of the Zodiac, connecting the known and the unknown, the conventional and the unconventional. And this visionary thinking is often coupled with a deep sense of intuition. Aquarians have a knack for trusting their gut, for following those flashes of insight that seem to come out of nowhere. They're not afraid to take risks, to experiment, to try something new, even if it means failing along the way. Because for an Aquarius, failure is not the opposite of success, it's a stepping stone, a learning opportunity, a chance to refine their ideas and come back even stronger. Aquarians are also incredibly independent thinkers. They don't blindly follow the crowd or accept conventional wisdom without questioning it. They're the ones who challenge assumptions, who ask why not, when everyone else is saying no way. And this independent streak allows them to approach problems from a fresh perspective, to see possibilities that others overlook. But don't mistake their independent nature for aloofness. Aquarians are deeply humanitarian at heart. They care about making the world a better place, and this desire to effect positive change fuels their problem-solving endeavors. They're not content with simply fixing what's broken. They want to create a better future for everyone. So if you're ever faced with a problem that seems insurmountable, that requires a fresh perspective, a touch of genius, and a willingness to embrace the unconventional, my advice is to find yourself an Aquarius. They'll help you see the world through a new lens, to challenge the impossible, and to create innovative solutions that benefit not only yourself, but the world around you. And there you have it. Cosmic Explorers, the top 3 zodiac signs that excel at problem solving. Scorpio, the cosmic detective, Virgo, the cosmic architect, and Aquarius, the cosmic innovator. Each with their own unique set of skills and approaches, they remind us that the universe is full of wonder, complexity, and of course, solutions waiting to be discovered. Did your sign make the list? Whether you're a Scorpio, a Virgo, an Aquarius, or any other sign in the zodiac, remember that we all have the potential to be problem solvers in our own right. After all, the universe is full of challenges, and it's up to us to use our ingenuity, our creativity, and our determination to find solutions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of astrology, science, and the mysteries of the cosmos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up and never stop exploring.